Question number third. Again, represent the following rational numbers on number line. First part 2 upon 3, B part is 7 upon 5. Two more parts of this question are there, but I am doing two, and two part you will perform yourself. See that how we will do. You can see that both of them are positive. They are not negative. So just you make the positive direction only. In this case, we don't want to need negative direction. We can make only positive one. Solution of first question I am doing. See here. Okay. We will write that 1 upon 3. Because in denominator there is 3. So 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 3. And 3 upon 3 means 1. Then 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 if you will cancel, it will become 2. So in this way, you just make the circle which you need on number line. So in this way, you can represent the numbers on number line. Okay, this is solution of A part. Again B part I am doing. Again see that you just make the positive direction of the on number line. Okay, and again see that here from 0 we are starting. In denominator what is 5, that you just start 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5. 5 upon 5 means 1. 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 5 or 10 upon 5. 10 upon 5. 10 upon 5 means 2. So you can see that means from 0 to 1. In how many part we have divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 2 to 1 to 2. Again in 5 part. So in this way you can see that which part we have to denote? 7 upon 5. So this will be the 7 upon 5. Means between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 it will represent the 7 upon 5. In this way rest of two parts of this question you will perform yourself. So I am leaving them. Okay. Denote in this way. And now come to the question number 4th one. Question number 4th one. And what is that? Write the following rational number in the simplest form. Write the numbers in simplest form. In simplest form. And everybody of you know the simplest form. If you don't know and that how we have to do, see that first A part is 40 upon 50. Okay. For 40 upon 50 what you will do? 0 and 0 will become cancelled and 4 upon 5. So there is no common factor in between 4 and 5. So its simplest form will be 4 upon 5 only. Okay. And B part, see that 7 upon 490. Okay. You just see that 7 and 49. They are coming in same table. So they may be cancelled. 7 1 ja 7. 7 7 ja 49 and 0. So what will be its simplest form? 1 upon 7. So in this way you can complete. The one more part is there and that part you will perform yourself. Okay. Now I am moving to the next question. Means till question number 4 we have discussed here. Now I am moving to the question number 5th one. Now next question, that is 5th question. And what is A part? Put greater or smaller sign. You know that in case of greater or smaller, what we have done in previous exercise also, that we are first taking LCM of the denominator. Take LCM of denominator means 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8. Everybody of you know how to take LCM. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. Then 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so LCM will be the multiplication of these factors by which you are making division. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. Now what will be the first step? This was step 1. Okay, step 1 you will take the LCM. Step 2, make division of this 6 in 24. So 24 divided by 6 will come 4. and 24 divided by 8 will come 3. It means first fraction will be multiplied by 4 in numerator or denominator. It will be your step number 3rd. 5 upon 6 will be multiplied by this quotient 4 into 4, and this 7 upon 8 will be multiplied by this 3 into 3. In this way you will see that the denominator will become equal. Okay, 5 4 ja 20 upon 6 4 ja 24, 7 3 ja 21 upon 8 3 ja 24. Okay, now already the denominators are equal. So what you will do, now you have to put greater or smaller sign. Now compare the numerators. Okay, you can see that 20 is smaller and 21 is greater. So what sign will come between of them? 20 upon 24 is smaller than 21 upon 24. Okay, one more part for the minus case also I am going to do here. Okay, and then rest of the parts you will perform yourself. That is C part. C part, minus 3 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4. No, I am taking unequal denominators. I am taking for unequal denominators. D part I am taking. D part I am taking. 9 upon 12 B part, sorry. B part I am taking. Minus 8 upon 9 and minus 1 upon 8. Okay. Step 1. Take LCM of 9 and 8. Okay. 9 and 8. So 9 or 8. First start from 2. So 9 will remain as 2 4 ja 8. 9 2 2 ja 4. 9 2 1 ja 2. Then by 3. 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. Okay. So what is your LCM? Now write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. 24 into 3. 72 will be your LCM. 72 will be your LCM. Now step 2. Now step 2. Step 2 means this 9. 72 divided by 9. What will come? 8. Okay. And 72 divided by 8 will come 9. Now first fraction will be divided by 8 upon 8 and second fraction minus 1 upon 8 will be multiplied by 9 upon 9. Okay. Now see, 8 8 ja 64. 9 8 ja 72. 9 1 ja 9. 9 8 ja 72. When I made the number line in my previous video, what I taught you beta, that while we will move, suppose here is 0 and here the numbers, it will start minus 1, minus 2 and so on. In this way we will move minus 100, minus 200, means up to where we would like to go. And at that time I taught you that the number which will be very nearer to 0, those values will be greater. So if you can see that minus 9 will be nearer to 0 comparatively to this minus 64. Okay, minus 9 will be nearer to 0 comparatively to this minus 64. It means which one will be greater? This one will, means minus 64 will be in smaller than minus 9. So you will write in this way, this negative sign. So this will be your answer. Okay, in this way beta, rest of the parts of this question you will perform yourself. And if already the denominators are equal, then by the plus or negative value you will directly do the comparison. If the denominators are not equal, then what you will do, then you have to take LCM, and then by taking LCM, finally when the denominators will become equal, then with the help of the numerator you will decide whether which one is the greater and which one is the smaller. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.